Welcome to third standard social class video session, lesson 10, physiographical divisions of ancient Tamil Nadu. In this heading, we learn today Mullai landscape. Let us go into the session.
In this session, we are going to learn lesson 10, physiographical divisions of ancient Tamil Nadu. Topic, Mullai, forest region. Before going to the topic, let us know what are 5 thinais. The 5 thinais were Kurunji, hilly or mountain region, Palai, perched and drylands, Mullai, coastal and tract region, Marudam, wet or agricultural land, and Neidal, coastal area. In this session, we are going to learn about Mullai forest region. Mullai is the land of the forest. The forest is rich with lakes, waterfalls, teak, bamboo, and sandalwood. In this region, millet grows and wild bees are the source of honey. Mullai or jasmine is the flower of the forest. Who live in the Mullai land? Shepherds. The people of Mullai land are shepherds. Rabbits, deer, cattle, wildfowl live in the forest. Kandari and kaya trees abundant. The forest is fertile with fauna and flora. The springs are filled with water from the rain. The Mullai region flows many rivers and streams feed the forest in Tamil Nadu. The people in Mullai regions are mainly shepherds and cowherds and consider cattle to be the most important possessions. They sell milk and milk products. Do you know, children, whom do we call a shepherd and cowherds? A shepherd is someone who look after sheep. Shepherds usually take the sheep out into the field so that they can graze, eat grass. In the same way, someone who look after cows is called a cowherd. How was the weather in Mullai region? The weather is mild and rainy. Next, we learn about vegetation which will found in Mullai region. This region is home to variety of old forest trees and plants as well as those planted by the people. The trees in this area include palmyra, coconut, areca, banana, jackfruit, jamun, mango, neem and tamarind trees. Some famous crops cultivated in this region are the pearl millet, which called as kambu, finger millet, that we call it as the rahi, and sorghum, that is cholam. Next, let us learn about birds and animals of this region. The animals and birds that reside in this region are the barbet, jungle fowl, flying squirrel, fox, wolf, cheetah, and the wild beasts. Unfortunately, deer have left the area as it no longer has grazing areas, and besides, they were often killed for their other antlers and meat. It is known that only a few of them are surviving at the forest edges. Lord Vishnu is the god of Mullai region. Next, let us learn about social life in ancient Tamilagam. Social life is associated with division of land. The division of land called thinai. Each thinai associated with particular landscape. There are 5 thinais in ancient Tamilagam. Thinais are Kurunchi, Mullai, Palai, Marudam, and Neidal. The Thinis had an important role in molding the social life of ancient Tamilakam. Hunting and collecting of forest resources were the means of livelihood of the people in the hilly Kurunji. Pepper and other spices were cultivated here. Cattle rearing was the major occupation of the people of Mullai, the grassland. Rice and sugarcane were cultivated in the wetland Marudam. Fishing and salt production were the major occupation of the people in the coastal region Neidal.
I hope you got clear information about Mullai landscape. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.